Okay, so we have another problem here. The number of employees which report to each employee. So the table name is employees. It has 4 columns: employee ID of type integer, name of type varchar, reports to of type integer, and age of type integer. For this problem, we will consider a manager, an employee who has at least one other employee reporting to them. So we need to write a solution to report the IDs and the name of all managers, the number of employees who report directly to them, and the average age of the reports rounded to the nearest integer. Okay, so we have this employee ID 9 whose name is Hershey, and 2 people report to him, that is employee with ID 6 and employee with ID 4 reports to 9, and the age of average of 6 and 4 is 41 plus 36 by 2, which is 38.5, and rounded to 39. Okay, so let's write the query here. Select reports to. I think we are getting the ID of reports to. Reports to, comma count employee ID, the number of employees who are reporting to this reports to, and we will name it as reports count. Also, we need to get the average age, so we will get average of age. We will also round it so we don't get any decimal but the whole integer as average age from employees. Let's see what we are getting now. I need to group the data also. Group by reports to, and also we need to make sure that we don't get any null values. So where reports to is not null. So let us see what we are getting now. Okay, so we need to make sure that this where clause comes before the group by. So we have all the columns. Now we need only the name. Okay, so for name we can do one thing. We can simply wrap this query in a CTE with CTES, and we can simply join the table. Select from CTE, join the original table employees E on CTE dot reports to is equals to E dot employee ID, because reports to is nothing but the employee ID only. So we have the data. Now we will simply select CTE dot CTE dot we can select either the employee ID from the employees table or the reports to from the CTE table. Both of them will be same because we are joining both of them. Okay, so we can select E dot employee ID also, comma E dot name, comma E dot reports, no, CTE dot reports count, comma ct dot average age. So let us see what we are getting now. Okay, so the answer is correct. Let us submit it. I hope the answer gets submitted. Okay, so we are getting a wrong answer here. I think we need to return the result ordered by employee ID. So we can do one more thing here. We can simply order the data by e dot employee ID. So the solution is submitted now.